Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you the Carnewal headers or intake manifolds for a Porsche Cayman 987. These haven't actually been fitted to a car, but they are designed for a Porsche Cayman 987.1, and we can see what they've basically done, Carnewal and their team. They've cut this section out here and they've removed a lot of the baffles which are in here, so it turns them into what's called a 200 cell cat, and it's basically just a standard unit. It's exactly the same to look at as, well, it is a Porsche part, it's a genuine Porsche part, but as I say, they've just removed baffles from here. That's why it will look exactly the same, and it will look like a used part because this has come off a car. What they'll do is they will take your manifolds from you and they will send you new manifolds out, obviously with the modification already having been done. So this is what the pair will look like. Obviously no surprises there, but also what I'd recommend you do is also order the rest of the bits as well. So these are genuine Porsche gaskets. That's the part number on that. That's the part number, so they're obviously exactly the same, and these go over this area here, not that one and that one. And then these are the gaskets which have been unopened, and they go along here and here. And then these are all of the nuts and bolts for the fitting of the exhaust. So it just really wanted to show you that short video. Nothing too exciting, nothing too fantastic, but if you are looking to maybe buy these from Carnewal and you may be wondering what you might expect, well, this is exactly what you'll expect, and it will come in a box like that. Thanks for watching.